Are you doing the work you want to do? If you're a physician who is stressed out by your job, welcome. You have found a safe place to be. This is the very first question in our simple question series together, and probably the most important. And if you are an APP colleague, a nurse practitioner, PA, or any other healthcare professional, please see the video below from my heart to yours. Now, when Monday morning comes and your alarm clock goes off or your alarm on your phone goes off, are you excited to go to work? Are you like, hey, honey, wake up. I get to go to work. Yeah. Or are your Mondays different? Are they a source of dread and despair? Oh, your Mondays will tell you. If you're experiencing job stress, answering this simple question can give you massive clarity and can even save your life. Am I doing the work that I want to do? Oh, that's stupid. Nobody's got any time for this nonsense. Look, I have patients to see and I've got bills to pay. Okay? Yes, you do have bills to pay. Yes, you do have patients to see. Yes, you have family that's depending on you. But does that change the question? The 13th century Persian poet Rumi says, "Your heart knows the way. Run in that direction." What if you released all the stuff that you have to do and just sat with the question, is this work the work you want? And no one answer is better than another. I mean, it is what it is, right? I mean, if you're cool, you're cool. And if you're not, if you don't like your work, that's cool too. I wish that I had asked myself this question before I totally burned out and had to move back home to my mom and dad's house over a decade ago. So I challenge you, please think about your answer today. I challenge you to sit with your answer this week. Please be honest with yourself. Are you doing the work you want to do? A simple question for a stress doctor. Until next time, when we discuss our next simple question, I hope that you and yours have an awesome and safe day.